Daily maintenance of Papaji Chai Coffee Machine. Use a damp cloth for cleaning the outer surface. Now open the door and turn off the main switch as you need to clean various parts. Firstly, turn the elbows upright. Now wash and clean mixing bowls, whipper cover, whipper and O-rings. Always clean the canister, elbows and dripping tray once a week. After cleaning the parts, always check that the parts are fitted properly. Remember to increase the life of the machine. Always use good quality water. Always drain the water if the machine was not in use for a long time.